Welcome to the Bourns MF-RM Series training module. The objective of this presentation is to provide an introduction to the Multifuse MF-RM series of polymeric positive temperature coefficient PPTC resettable fuses. Multifuse is the Bourns brand name for components that are often referred to as polymeric PTCs. PTC referring to positive temperature coefficient resettable fuses or thermistors. These overcurrent protection devices are made from unique conductive polymer materials that exhibit a PTC effect. Multifuse PPTC devices act as circuit protection components by limiting dangerous current surges, such as short circuits away from electrical equipment. They provide protection in this way as they react to an overcurrent event by changing from a very low resistive state to a very high resistive state. This is known as the positive temperature coefficient effect, or PTC effect. What makes these devices special is that once the overcurrent surge has passed, the Multifuse PPTC devices will reset to their low resistive state and allow the equipment to resume operation. This is why they are commonly referred to as resettable fuses. Multifuse PPTC devices can exhibit this PTC effect because of their unique construction. These devices are made from a conductive polymer. As we know, polymers are insulative materials, but Bourns mixes conductive particles into the polymer matrix, which brings high conductive properties to the polymer. It is the conductive particles that allow current to conduct through the device, and hence, the Multifuse PPTC device is low resistance in its normal state. However, if the device witnesses an overcurrent surge, the Multifuse polymer PTC will heat at the rate of I²R. This heating causes the device to change phase from low resistance to high resistance as the conductive chains start to separate. The PPTC device will stay in the high resistive state as long as there is a fault current. Once this fault current is removed and the power has been cycled, the PPTC device will return to the low resistive state. Multifuse PPTC resettable fuses can be used in many different applications, from battery packs to USB ports and automotive window motors to coffee machines. Inside each of these applications, the Multifuse PPTC resettable fuse operates in the same manner as the traditional one-time fuse. The device operates in series with the load, and that load can be a motor, sensor, semiconductor, battery cell, relay, etc. Here is how the Multifuse PPTC device operates. The blue line represents the circuit operating current, while the red line represents the reaction of the PPTC in resistance. As you can see, under the normal operating condition of the circuit, the PPTC is in a low resistive state. If a fault current event arises, the PPTC reacts by switching from low resistance to high resistance. Such high resistance limits the circuit current to a tiny trickle current and protects the device. The PPTC remains high resistance until the power is cycled. Once the power is cycled, the PPTC resets and returns to the normal operating current again, and the circuit can resume operation. The wide range of Multifuse PPTC devices can be seen in this slide. Bourns offers a full range of surface mount, radial through-hole, and strap-type devices for battery cell applications. If one of these devices is not suitable for your application, please feel free to contact Bourns to see if we can customize our products to fit your application. The Bourns Multifuse MF-RM series is designed to operate in mains-rated AC circuits up to 240 VAC. Traditionally, polymer PTCs have been targeted at DC circuits that operate at less than 90 volts. But the MF-RM series opens up a whole new application segment for multifuse polymer PTCs. This family provides hold current values from 50 mA to 550 mA. All models within the family are UL, CSA, and TUV approved and are available in a radial through-hole package. Here is an overview of the MF-RM series, including part numbers, important specifications such as hold current, trip current, maximum voltage, maximum current, initial and post-trip resistance, as well as maximum time to trip and power dissipation. For further details, please refer to the product data sheet on the Bourns website. A critical application consideration is the time-to-trip performance. The product data sheet on the Bourns website provides time-to-trip curves so you can see the time it takes for a PPTC to trip for a wide range of current values. This slide gives more details on the physical characteristics of the MFRM series. On the left, you can see how the MFRM is constructed. The inner layer is the conductive PPTC material. The next layer is the conductive metal electrodes. The outer layer is the protective coating. And finally, the metal wires allow the device to connect to your circuit. On the right side, you can see the explanation of the product markings. The MFRM series has been designed to help protect AC circuits on the primary side of the transformer. Some of the applications that could benefit from overcurrent and overtemperature protection provided by the MFRM series are consumer appliances such as coffee machines, food processors and juicers, as well as air conditioning units, electrical garden equipment, set-top boxes, lighting units, and CCTV security equipment. These are just some of the applications that could benefit from the MFRM series. To find out if your product can use the new MFRM series, please contact your nearest Bourns representative. Some of the products listed can be damaged by short circuits, motor jams, and surges from coming in contact with AC power lines. For that reason, the MFRM series has been designed to provide overcurrent and overtemperature protection. By selecting the MFRM series for your circuit, you can help improve overall product reliability and reduce costs associated with equipment repairs. When resettable fuses replace one-time fuses, the warranty costs associated with replacing a blown fuse may be reduced significantly. This is particularly helpful in cases where fuses blow from nuisance tripping. The MFRM series allows AC circuits to gain the benefits of resettable fuse protection offered by Bourns. For more information on this family, please contact your nearest Bourns representative or visit us at www.bourns.com.